It is often said that this is era of collaboration, not competition. When we talk about collaboration, when we talk about the success in companies, the one skill that is important for everyone is teamwork skill. All the successful businessmen, all the richest people, they know how to work as a team member. So today we will be talking about it to our students and professionals. The concept, the importance, the practical applications. Will start with the definition that what is teamwork? Teamwork refers to the ability of individuals to work collaboratively toward a common goal by sharing responsibilities, skills, and ideas. When you can work together with others with the same goal by sharing your skills, your ideas, and your responsibilities, then you are doing a teamwork. Why we do teamwork? Teamwork we do because we can achieve multiple things. We can achieve the productivity. For instance, if there are six tasks, and for that, if one person is doing it, can it will take him six times more time compared to six person working together. In some cases, it is often said that in the teamwork, one plus one is not two, one plus one is 11. So it improves the productivity. Second thing is it encourages the creativity. Obviously, everyone brings his own ideas. Thirdly, it enhances the problem solving. Fourthly, it builds the positive work culture. So, what are the common characteristics of an effective team? So, if you're a manager, if you're a student, you want to learn how the effective teams are made, then there are 5 points you must remember. The first thing is clear goals. Good teams have clear goals. They show the mutual interest. They have same interest. They are open to communicate, they define roles, and they cooperate with each other. So these are characteristics of the good teams. Types of teams, we can say normally in the organizations we have four types of teams: functional teams, cross-functional teams, self-managed teams, and virtual teams. Those teams who work online with each other. So roles in a team: one should be a leader, a coordinator, a contributor, and a supporter. So communication in team is the key thing to keep the team running, or we can say effective communication ensures coordination, clarity, and conflict prevention. Trust and cooperation. Trust builds confidence, and cooperation strengthens team responsibilities. Teamwork versus individual work. In teamwork, we leverage the collective strength, while individual work relies on the personal efforts. Okay, so this is the reason that we need the team skills in organizations. People work as a team and they achieve more. So a single person cannot handle a multi-billion dollar company finances alone. He cannot manage the marketing alone. He cannot talk to the million customers. So we need a team. In individual systems, an individual is himself on his own. So three benefits of the teamwork. There are three benefits of the teamwork: better decision making, faster problem solving, and share responsibility. Challenges in teamwork are the conflict, miscommunications, unequal participation. Overcoming teamwork challenges can be through the three ways. If your team is facing a problem and you are unable to come across the challenges, then there are three things you can do. First, define the clear goals so that there should not be any conflict with them. Secondly, resolve the conflicts just in case there are any conflicts. And thirdly, be open to the dialogue. Teamwork in academic settings can be in group projects and research collaboration, classroom activities. Professionally, teamwork can be organizational projects, cross departmental collaborations, and corporation. Teamwork for students can be collaborative learning, peer support, leadership development. Professionals need to work on projects and leadership growth and advancements. Digital team works these days because of the digital technologies. It's easy to make digital teams. Three ways we can make remote collaboration: we can make virtual teams, we can make online teams. Modern teams are softwares. There are tool software that can help us manage the teams and gain the teamwork skills are Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, and AI collaboration tools. Common mistakes that people make while making teams is the poor communication, lack of trust, and ignoring the feedback. What we can learn from this thing, that the teamwork skill is learnable. Teamwork skill leads to multiply successes. It we can achieve more as a team. And the second learning is the communication is central. One must be a good communicator as a leader, as a coordinator, as a team member, and there must be trust between the team members, then they can perform better. So if you have learned something from this, uh, tell me in the comment section, why do some teams fail? Is teamwork always better than the individual work, or do you favor the individual work? So my name is Dr. Farooq Baloch. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.